first set, he came out hot. My elbow was hurting a lot, so forehand serves weren't really working. My backhand was good, but I was missing a lot. He was hot, playing well. I was like, I didn't come all this way to the finals just to lose like 1-0. So I was like, okay, I gotta figure something out. You know, get creative, get cheeky. You know. So second set came out, found a way, got back in the match, 6-4. Then third set, I came out and just kept on doing what I did, and I don't want to. That was it.
Okay, I noticed you were kind of putting some more slices in your rallies, and that kind of threw him off because he kind of liked the pace a bit more.
Yeah, so again, you know, getting creative, missing slices, drop shots, angles, all that stuff to keep him guessing and not letting him have a rhythm. So, yeah.
So will you be staying on for the next J4 tournament?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what do you think are your chances there? Clearly, there are going to be better players there.
It's going to be a lot tougher, but, you know, I'm going to go out, compete, and hope for the best, and that's all I can do, so.
Okay, 7th seed, you know, many would say on paper you should have won this match. Take us through it. You won the first set, and he just kind of pulled it out of your hands. Talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, the first set I came out strong. I mean, I was hitting the ball very well, but kind of lost energy because this is my, fourth consecutive match, 3 sets. So I was very exhausted, and I just couldn't find my rhythm back in the match.
Okay, your thoughts on how do you feel about your tennis going through this tournament?
I mean, I started off really strong. It's very windy here, so I'm glad I was able to push through that and kind of like play through the wind, with the wind and against the wind, try to figure out how to play. And I mean, I just got a little tired at the end of the tournament, but I felt like it was a good tournament for me.